Hi, John Walker for Lacad TV. Today we're looking at a 376-foot tiny home in IKEA. Chris and I found it while going through IKEA. Millions of people are doing it, so the question is, could you live in a 376-foot tiny home? What about you, Chris?
With you? Well, I have to take a look at it and see what it offers.
Looking at the sign out front, IKEA says small space, big life. We love city living and now own a small minimalistic condo that we furnish together. Most evenings are spent going out with friends, attending the theater, or enjoying our favorite restaurants. Our home has become our personal sanctuary. It's small, but everything has a place. We don't believe in compromise.
So now you're looking at the entrance, and to your left there's a shoe cabinet.
Now we estimated perhaps you can get 12 or more pairs of women's shoes, maybe 8 to 10 men's shoes depending on the size of the shoe.
Now above the shoe cabinet, you can put pictures there for decoration. You can put a holder there for your mail. You can put a mirror there to check yourself out.
When you walk into the main area, the first thing that caught my eye was the sofa. It's a 3-cushion sofa, and also the good use of space putting a little computer desk beside the sofa.
And this is a 1-bedroom unit, but all of us like to have company, so you can always replace a regular sofa or put in a sofa bed for that purpose.
Above the sofa, you see some nice artwork, and you also got nice lighting throughout. And you know, lighting makes a place look a little larger. So even though it's 376 square feet, it feels bigger.
And on the left, you notice the kitchen tables. There's only 2 chairs there now, but you can easily add a third one, or you can change that table and make it a full table where you can add 3 or 4 other chairs to it. And as long as you're using folding chairs, you can also easily store them.
Now, one thing that catches my eye is the TV's good size. So there's room for a large TV, guys. And you know that's important to us.
And it's not just for men. There's nothing worse than having a small TV on movie night.
You're right, Chris. And I forgot, too, a lot of people today use their TV as their TV monitor, or they use it for video calling. So having room for a big TV is really nice.
Now you're looking on the far right, that's actually you're looking into the store. Now imagine there being a wall there. You can actually put hooks on the wall and use storage folding chairs there so that you can have extra seating for company.
And I think you might even have room for a recliner. You might even have a nice big chair there. So a lot of options here.
I know the kitchen caught your eye, so let's go over and check out the kitchen. Looking in the kitchen, what I see is storage, storage, storage. To the left of the stove, you have storage. To the right, you have storage. The level where the microwave is, you have storage. And there's another level of storage above the microwave even.
I agree with you, Chris. Ample storage everywhere you look. The other thing that caught my eye is the stove, the microwave, and the refrigerator are all full size. They're not these little mini apartment size units. But what an excellent use of space. You even have the move-in space on top of the refrigerator.
Now here's a close-up shot. Now IKEA is not paying us, but IKEA really gives you a lot of things that you can purchase to design a small personal space for yourself.
Now it's on to the bedroom. Well, here's a peek into the bedroom. I always like artwork on the wall. And here's the bed. In my mind, I think this bed is a queen size bed.
Now you have a generous size of the nightstands on the left and the right of the bed, but you can always downsize the nightstands and make a larger king size bed. And there are some really nice reading lights that are right above the headboard.
Like Chris said, you can change the size of the end tables. You can change the size of anything in this room. You can buy it all from IKEA. Then you can hire your own handyman to install it or install it yourself.
Now the final room is the bathroom. Now you notice in the bathroom, you have a double sink there. You have storage above the sink and you have storage below.
Yep, that's amazing to me. I didn't catch that when I first took the picture, that it's a double sink. The only thing I'll say, folks, you might say, oh, this is a beautiful double sink. You have an apartment picked out. But a lot depends on who designed the apartment, if you'll be able to fit all of this into your apartment. You may not be able to fit a double sink into your apartment.
We see the shower there in the corner. They have shower curtains, but you can easily change that out and put the circular shower doors and shower in there instead in the corner.
Now to finish up our thoughts on the bathroom, I think the shower is small. They didn't have an actual commode sitting here, but you see it drawn into the wall picture. And above the commode, there's storage, which is pretty normal. Well, it's not always normal, but it's nice to have storage above the commode. Well, that's a wrap of the bathroom.
So that's a wrap up of the 376 square foot apartment or condo at IKEA.
Yes, Chris, 376 square feet. And so here's the question. Could you live in 376 square feet? Hey, go check out some of these little mini homes or condos decorated at IKEA. Hey, this has been John Walker for LaCod TV. Thank you for watching. As always, if you found this video to be of value or you just enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel, LaCod TV. Once again, thank you for watching the video.